only have 60 seconds to tell you about this outstanding starter home here in Redding for investors or families. Let's go explore. As you look around the neighborhood, it's both an attractive and a safe neighborhood. You'll notice it has great landscaping and it's both family and pet friendly. As you walk in the house, it's so clean, it feels light and fresh. I love sitting at this island in the kitchen with the bright colors and modern touches. One of my favorite spots is the patio with the barbecue area, perfect for hanging out in the evening. And the inspections are all done. I'm JR, your real estate friend. I'm never too busy for referrals here in Redding, where the world wants to live.